Hi, this is Vicky.
Hi, this is Katrina.
Today we will show you how to repair our vacuum pump. Not all of our pump body is integrated structure, which is very easy to maintain. Even a lady like us can repair it. Now our director Katrina will show you how to repair it. Before we install the pump body, we need to adjust the motor rotor in this direction. And we need to wipe the contamination on the stators. You will see there are two locating pins. The function of them is lock the stators. And here you have to adjust the motor rotor this direction again by adjusting the fan outside. When we finish the installation, we need to rotate the motor rotor to check if the pump body is blocked. You will see the fan is rotating. It is okay. After it, we will test the pump.